Remember those endless tutorials? 45-minute videos explaining every single line of code, step by step. Pause, rewind, try to follow along, get lost, start over. That era is officially over. Here's what nobody tells you. Those tutorials taught you how to type code, not how to think. You'd finish a course, feel great, then face a real project and have no idea where to start. Now everyone's talking about AI. Some people are terrified. Will it replace me? Will programmers disappear? Others are excited, but don't know where to begin. Here's what we believe at tip.services. The techie guy who memorizes syntax and knows every framework? That figure is fading. What's emerging is something new. The orchestrator. Someone who knows what to build and lets AI handle the how. That's the future. That's what we teach. At tip.services, you don't memorize programming languages. You learn the concepts, what a database does, what authentication means, how APIs connect. Then you tell the AI to build it. You orchestrate. The AI executes. And we don't bore you with theory for weeks before you touch anything real. From chapter 1, you're building a real product. Your product. The AI is your partner, and the certification is your roadmap. Here's what surprised us. People get hooked. The more you orchestrate, the more you want to learn. Your brain stops worrying about syntax and starts thinking about possibilities. It becomes a craft, a hobby, something you actually enjoy. Let me be direct. The people who will struggle aren't the ones replaced by AI. They're the ones replaced by someone else. Someone who learned to orchestrate AI before they did. That's the real shift. It's not human versus machine. It's human with machine versus human without. Certification 1. Your first digital product. 12 chapters, real exercises, an AI tutor by your side. No fluff, just you orchestrating your first product into existence. Start free today at tip.services.